Tonight in this Operation Safe Roads report, ABC 15's Zach Crenshaw introduces us to Michelle and her son and her emotional plea for everybody to stay safe this weekend.
He's a great kid. He's funny, witty, smart.
Michelle Summer still has a hard time talking about her son in the past tense.
He was 6 years in the Army.
Her boy, Clayton Trevelyan, excelled at whatever he put his mind to.
He had just graduated with his master's, May 2019. And he was studying to take his LSAT.
On August 24th, 2019, Clayton was riding his motorcycle to Goodyear for dinner with Mom.
And he didn't show up at the restaurant we had planned to meet at.
So she called his roommate.
Clayton's been in an accident and he's at the hospital but he's alive.
The 25-year-old held on for a week before doctors told Michelle,
in order to be able to use the organs, they would need to take him now. I laid my head on his chest when they took the ventilator tube out, and I listened to his last heartbeat, and I kept telling him, just fly away, buddy, be free.
What DPS is describing as a serious crash involving a motorcycle.
Michelle would later learn Clayton had his motorcycle hit from behind. Amanda Schleif, now charged with negligent homicide, after telling police she got a call and, quote, looked down for a second.
A car is a really dangerous weapon. It really is.
Michelle experienced that herself just 6 months before her son was killed.
My car was smashed from behind by a drunk driver.
Police say the suspect in that case, Zachary Kellogg, ran before returning to the crash.
He put his hands behind his back, and the police officer asked him what he was doing, and he said, I'm still drunk.
Never have I seen it where it impacted someone twice and in such short order.
Michelle suffered a traumatic brain injury. Her attorney and former cop Anthony Ramirez says it hasn't stopped her from pushing for awareness and accountability.
Crimes like these are 100% preventable.
There's no phone call and there's no text that is so important that somebody has to be killed over it.
On January 1st, Arizona finally began enforcing its hands-free driving law. Since then, DPS has issued nearly 4,000 citations and more than 3,000 warnings. Phoenix police, meanwhile, have written 832 tickets. Michelle says a ticket for a couple $100s is nothing.
And my son's ashes are in here.
Compared to the weight she carries every day.
It's like you have your heart ripped out of your chest every day. I don't want any other family to have to go through what I know we're going through.
Zach Crenshaw, ABC 15, Arizona.